Welcome to this modern Craftsman-style home with a fantastic backyard for entertaining. It's ideally located in a sought-after Tualatin neighborhood on a quiet street near Iback Park and great schools including Tualatin High School. This home of more than 3,500 square feet has a spacious open floor plan with high ceilings, large windows, gorgeous hardwood floors, a gas fireplace, and a built-in entertainment center. The gourmet kitchen features a large cooktop island, granite slab counters, stainless steel appliances, a 6-burner gas cooktop, and double ovens. French doors open to the large office. Plus, you'll find a main-level guest bedroom with an adjacent full bath. On the upper level, you'll find a spacious master suite. Unwind in your luxurious spa-like master bath. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home also has a large bonus room, perfect for game or movie night. The professionally landscaped fenced backyard includes a covered patio with a hot tub, automatic lighting, and relaxing water features. You'll also love the 3-car garage with tons of storage. Come see the style and functionality of this fabulous home. It's all here on Southwest Yankton Place and ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.